Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity and removing corrective lenses. This avoids measurement error. Once done, seat the patient and raise or lower the chin rest so the pupils center in the keratometer aperture. Make sure the forehead strap is snug but not tight. Stability is essential. Dim the lights to reduce pupil constriction and switch the instrument on so the Meyer target becomes visible. You want the patient relaxed and fixation steady before you start aligning the optics. You now focus the eyepiece until the crosshair is crisp, because accurate focus prevents parallax. Next, bring the instrument close and align the Meyers so both sets overlap perfectly. You achieve coaxial alignment by adjusting the instrument laterally and vertically until the reflex is centered. Then rotate the power drum slowly to superimpose the Meyers. Take the reading when the outer and inner Meyers coincide. Finally, record the horizontal and vertical curvatures, noting axis orientation and any difference between meridians. You finish by writing down both keratometry readings, K1 and K2, with the corresponding axis. If required, convert to radius of curvature and average 2 consistent readings for reliability. Once done, repeat the entire procedure on the fellow eye and compare symmetry to detect irregular astigmatism. If readings vary or Meyers break up, make sure lids or eyelashes are not disguising the Meyer, realign carefully, and check the tear film. A single troubleshooting tip. Blink, wait 5 seconds, then remeasure to restore a smooth tear surface.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.